Hello, I'm Nate. Here with me is a 3-in-1 locker combo vending machine. In this video, I will show you how this vending machine works and the software part of this vending machine. When nobody is using the machine for a while, the machine will play a full-screen advertisement. You can upload video or pictures from our server, and you can see at the right corner there is a flashing icon, touch to buy. Then we will enter into the product list page, and still there are 1/3 of the screen. It is advertisement. You can also upload picture or video. Our machine supports shopping cart function. Each time we can maximum buy 5 products and pay at one time.
Please select your card or your mobile phone.
Tap the card.
Populating. Thank you.
Then the locker will open.
Thank you. Populating. Thank you.
As it is a 3-in-1 combo vending machine, so there are a lot of SKU. In one screen it cannot display all products. So we can swipe the product to see what's available in other cabinet. Or we can click here. We can select cabinet B. And then it will come to the product page from cabinet B. This kind of combo locker vending machine is very flexible for all kinds of products, such as farm produce. If you are interested in it, let's discuss your plan. Together, let's step into the new era of unmanned retail, Micron Smart Vending.